Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I just tried some of this super clean degreaser on this push mower air cleaner assembly, and it did a pretty good job because it was real nasty. Um, yeah, it did a real good job. Uh, so it's a good product. I recommend it. It got this foam filter nice and clean. I got it clean up in there, and these things get so nasty. It's probably a good idea to check it and clean it at the first of the season and at the end of the season, depending on how much you're using it. We've been using ours a little more this year because our riding mower's not been running too hot. So, but don't forget to use some kind of K&N type air cleaner oil on your filters. It'll help catch more stuff that you don't want getting in your engine. So, but yeah, this is pretty good stuff. This aerosol can, it foams kind of like an oven cleaner, and this kind is just a thin spray that is purple, and it did a good job, so I recommend it. Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser, that's for sure. Biodegradable detergents, that's good. You can get it at Walmart. They sell it. You can get it in these smaller uh, bottles, and you can get, I think, a gallon jug, and I think maybe a 2.5 gallon jug. So that's probably one of the best places to buy it. So I recommend it. I've got this wheel cleaner too, but a lot of times I don't get around to washing cars much, so I may try it out on a variety of other things. So we'll see how that does. But I haven't used it yet. So. But yeah, that's good stuff. I recommend it. So yeah, take care. Have a good day.